So that little bird flew right up to this chair right here. And Rachel threw a pretzel at it immediately.
I didn't throw it at it. I threw it on the ground and it flew away.
Yeah, and you didn't even wait for me to take a picture or a video. It was right there on the chair, and it looked at me, and it was so cute. It flew up. Oh, here it is. That's the exact one right there. Nope, not having any of it. Nice job, hon. You've ruined the moment. We have pretzels that are s'mores flavored.
They're really good.
They are good. Oh, there's a friend joining him.
Wait a minute, which one was it?
It was the right one.
Are you
Now I'm confused too.
They're talking to each other.
I want them to come over again.
Hang on, I can fix this.
Oh, I think that's the one.
I can fix it.
I think that's him. He was fluffy looking. It looked fluffy. Oh, hey, tell us something, hon. The one on the right looks kind of hungry. Too close. There we go. Now they're attacking
Oh,
it.
wait, the other one got it. They actually sing to you.
God provides for everything for the animals,
It's true. I believe it.
but He can't provide s'mores flavored chocolate covered pretzels.
Wait, did you say you can?
He can't. Well, I'm joking because it's funny. Aren't they supposed to eat seeds or something?
I don't know.
Do they? I'm pretty sure they eat seeds and fruit and stuff.
I'm pretty sure those are the only things they eat though.
That's a shame.
I got one for my son. He didn't like it either. Oh, he likes it.
Ooh, look, it's a birdie.
It's so cute.
Honey, look to your right on the planter. Oh, and he's gone. Flew away. Stop flying. Stop flying everywhere, dude. Stay still. He's so cute. He's just a little baby. The little babies. Okay. You get the idea.
Yep, I think they get the idea.